Hello guys, welcome to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to use Snapchat timeline feature on your Android. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, you can click the Snapchat application. After that, you can click the symbol here and click the timeline. Why I use timeline? Because timeline is have more 2 minutes to take your videos, and also you can include the sound to your timeline. After that, the more of feature of the timeline here, and I hope this is very useful for you. Okay, this is a tutorial how to use Snapchat timeline feature on your Android. I hope this video is very useful for you, and thank you.